Hi friends, this is Devansh, and if you're getting this error, a current driver on your PC may be better than the driver when you're trying to install the Windows update, then in this video I am going to tell you the methods which can help you to fix the error. So please watch this video completely and let's begin. The first method to fix this error is troubleshoot the Windows update. For that, go to the settings. In settings, you have to go to the update and security. Now you have to go to the troubleshoot at the left hand side. Now once the troubleshoot window get open, at downside you will find this Windows update option. Click on run the troubleshooter and it will start the troubleshooting of the Windows update. It will take some time, so wait for a while. Now I'm moving it forward to the final condition. Now after the troubleshoot you will receive a message like this. In my case, troubleshooting couldn't identify any problem, while in your case if it receive any error, it will give you that error. Try to fix that error, and after that you have to just close this all windows and restart your system. Once you restart your system, again try to do the Windows update and check are you still getting that error or not. So this is the first method. Now the next method is maybe network adapter driver is causing this problem. So go to the device manager, open the device manager, and now you have to go to the network adapter option. Here in the network adapter you will get list of all the adapter. Here I'm choosing the Realtek because this is the Wi-Fi driver for my system. Click on update driver, click on search automatically, so it will start updating the driver. This process will take time, so wait for a while. Once the search complete, it will start installing the driver into the system. You can see here it is installing, and now Windows has successfully updated the driver. You can update it, and after that try to do the Windows update and check are the error fixed or not. If it doesn't fix, then what you have to do, you have to right click and click on uninstall the device, and here click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, what will happen? The driver which is at the downside will get removed. After that you have to just restart your system again. Now the last method is you can also update the Intel graphic card installed in your system. For that you have to go to the Google and search Intel GPU driver update, or you can search GPU tool update like that. And when I search here graphic card driver update, what I'm getting, the first link, download for graphics Intel. Click on it, and here that you will get a link to download a tool which is automatically update the drivers present in your system. So click on get started and it will start downloading that tool. Click on download now to download that tool. It will take a small time because it's very small file of 2.4 MB. Execute this and run the driver. Once you click on run, it will take some time. Click on I agree to the license terms and condition, and then click on install and click on accept, and it will start the initialization, basically the setup of the tool into the system. Now installation will complete. You have to click on launch. Once you click on launch, a new tab will open in the Windows, into the Google, sorry. And now here you can see it is start scanning the system. So it will scan the system and search for the graphic card present in the system, Intel graphic card basically, and is the update available for that or not. You have to just click on download to download the update for these graphic cards, and after that just restart the system and again perform the Windows update and check you are still getting the error or not. So these are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.